Hello everyone, I'm Ral. In this presentation, I'll be explaining joysticks and the using computer graphics. Joysticks are input devices primarily used to control the movement of objects in graphical interfaces. They consist of a stick that pivots on a base and often includes buttons for additional functionalities. In computer graphics, joysticks enable users to manipulate objects smoothly and precisely, offering intuitive control over movement and 2D and 3D environments. They are widely employed in applications ranging from gaming to professional design software where real-time control and fluid interaction are crucial. So, introduction to joysticks and computer graphics. A joystick is an input device that consists of base, as I said. In the image, you can see there is a pivoted stick which is based to the device, and there are a few buttons for extra controls. They are important in we were designing VR or gaming platform, and it is also important in technology applications and medical field when they are viewing a video. History of joysticks in computer. Earlier joysticks designs in 1960s and 1970s are shown in the images. The development of joysticks began in the early 1960s primarily for aviation and military applications, evolving into gaming controllers by 1970s. Key milestones in joystick development. Innovations such as the Atari 2600 in 1977 revolutionized gaming controls, setting a standard for future designs. Influence of video games on joystick technology. The popularity of video games drove significant advancement in joystick technology, focusing on ergonomics, precision, and responsiveness. Technology and mechanics of joysticks. Mechanical components and joysticks are the pivoted button and those extra buttons which are used for additional functions. And those pivots are called as gimbals. Also, in the latest joystick, there is a gyroscopic sensor. Like if you rotate the or move the joystick, the changes occur. Modern joysticks use different types of sensors, including potentiometers for analog input, optical sensors for high precision, and Hall effect sensor for non-contact sensing. Connectivity. Joysticks connect to computers and other devices through USB, Bluetooth, and other wireless technologies, enhancing versatility and ease of use. Applications in computer graphics. Mainly it used for gaming, graphic design, and 3D modeling, VR and AR systems. Gaming. Joysticks provide precision and immersive control in gaming, allowing players to interact more intuitively with the virtual environment. It is used in software like Blender and CAD programs. Joystick offer enhanced control for modeling, sculpting, and navigation, essential for navigation and interaction within virtual and augmented reality environments, enhancing user experience and immersion. Impact on user ergonomics and design. Joysticks are designed for user comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. Like in building a software or building a model, it takes a lot of time, and the users may tend to get pain in the hand or wrist while developing or building a model. So joysticks helps, and the design helps to reduce the pain or it promotes ease of use, and they can even use it for longer time without any stress or strain. Accessibility. Features such as customizable controls and adaptive joysticks cater to users with disabilities, promoting inclusivity. Engagement enhances user engagement and satisfaction by providing intuitive and responsive control interfaces. Suppose in a game when there is a gunshot fired or when the player gets hurt, even there exists a vibrator in the joysticks which gives the feedback to the user, and it increases the user experience and satisfaction of the user. Future trends and developments of joystick. Haptic feedback technology, like as I said just now, the user may get the feedback by the vibrators which are present in the joystick and which increases their experience of playing the game, and even In setting the precision of a model, they can get the feedback via vibrators to get confirmation whether the position is correct or not. Advancements in haptic feedback enhance the tactile response of joysticks, providing more immersive experiences. AI and machine learning integration. Future joysticks may incorporate AI for adaptive control and personalized user experience. Suppose a single joystick is present in your home and you and your sibling, both of them use the same joystick. Using the AI in future, they can adapt the joystick such that it is compatible with you when you are using and it has different functionalities for button when your sibling is using. Emerging trends in joysticks are and VR and AR mixed reality will continue to drive joystick development. As of now, VR and AR were using joysticks and in future mixed reality will also include joystick usage for responsive controls. So what we learned was how the joysticks are important in the current generation and how widely it is used. The joysticks play important role in development of models and it also is used mainly for gaming purpose. Like as you've seen, variety of joysticks like which are connected directly via USB cable or they can be connected using the Bluetooth or they can be connected using the USB receiver which is provided by the joystick company or and something. And also joysticks we have seen in the PS5s or PlayStation models, it is the main component to play the games. And importance of joysticks highlighting their role in advancing user interaction and control in various applications. Emphasis on ongoing innovations and the potential for developments in joystick technology. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.